Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the top fan, loosen the screw and unlatch the left side cover. Slide the cover off the system to remove it. Identify the fan and disconnect the cables. Remove the screw and lift the fan out of the system. To reinstall the top fan, place it back in the system. Install the screw and reconnect the cables. Place the side cover back on the system and relatch it. Tighten the screw to secure it. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.